Danke bafethu. So FIFA Club World Cup eMamelodi Sundowns ihambile ke. Isurprise abantu abaningi ukuthi iselecte uMuthiba as one of the guys lapha abazodlala ku FIFA Club World Cup because uMuthiba isizini yonke akadlalanga. Udlala igame eyi1 kuphela. Igame yakhona it was the most important game of the season ngokuyi-CAF Champions League final lapha. Surprisingly angena lapha abantu bebanga expectanga ukuthi ngempela uzodlala this season, especially igame of this magnitude njengoba angadlalanga at all, yabona. So uMuthiba lapha une opportunity ngempela ukuthi right history yakhe noma istory sakhe kuMamelodi Sundowns, not just any competition but one of the best competitions in the world, yabo, in terms of ibhola or club football, yabo. uMuthiba kuspende 9 years laphana eFrance kuma different clubs and u-rated ngempela because uke waba laphana kulokhunjana ku South Africa kuBafana Bafana uke wadlala washaya amagoli lapho nalapho until i-injury yakhe yamlimaza, yabo. Then Mamelodi Sundowns yamsayina, but before signing Mamelodi Sundowns bekunama room ukuthi angaya ku-Kaizer Chiefs noma angaya kwamanye ama-teams, but i-World Cup ipresent opportunity ngempela kule striker esine-experience, angayikwazi ukuyisebenzisa experience yakhe ukuthi adlale i-role different for laphana ama-Soweto Giants noma ngithi ama-Tshwane Giants or ama-Pretoria Giants, yabona. Mamelodi Sundowns ku-last 32 njengoba kuma-group stages, sobona ukuthi uMuthiba uzoba ne-opportunity ngempela ukuthi adlale. Guess what? Aka-compete ayi-1 kuno-Peter Shawulile, kuno-Reiners laphana, so it means ukuthi ulo Cardoso i-system yakhe maybe ibuildelwe uMuthiba, sobona ukuthi ngempela uzodlalisa abantu. Njengoba bengishilo uShawulile no-Reiners ba-mobile ezama-striker, bakwazi ukudlala different play ne-movement yabo, while uMuthiba i-box to box striker, yabo, i-traditional number 10 uhlala laphana eboxini. Manje uReiners uyakwazi ukudrifta to esayidini, then noShawulile sometimes banokumbeka esayidini, uyakwazi ngempela ukuhlupha ama-defend, but sobona uMuthiba ukuthi mabamnika opportunity yokudlala uzodlala kanjani, uzozimisela kanjani. Yena ezi-striker mkhulu uyakwazi ukulwisana nama-defender, but-ke ibhola laka-Cardoso sobona ukuthi njengoba amthembile ku-final ukuthi mhlampe angafika laphana ku-final abashayela igoli abasave, uzodlala kanjani going forward. But-ke i-FIFA Club World Cup ipresent opportunity enkulu kakhulu for uLebo Muthiba, sobona ukuthi uzodlala laphana ku-Club World Cup noma angeke adlale. Danko bafowethu.